Outbound voicemail drop files are really, really handy if you're doing a ton of outbound dialing and getting to a lot of people's voicemails. Rather than saying the same voicemail over and over and over again throughout the day, you can get yourself a lot of time back by just uploading that as a pre-recorded voicemail. And whenever you reach the beep of their inbox, just hit the recording that you want to drop. The call will end. You can leave your notes and move on to the next call, all while Shape is playing that recording in their inbox. Now, to get started, you'll want to make sure you have a voicemail recording uploaded to utilize, which you can do in a couple of different places. One is in your settings and the other is in your profile. I'm going to open both. So in the profile, you will have a phone tab. And if you scroll down, you'll have pre-recorded voicemail drop. I already have a voicemail here, but you'll just want to make sure it's in MP3 format. That way it plays correctly for carriers when they receive that recording. That being said, if it's an MP4 recording, that's not supported currently, but you can just Google MP4 to MP3 converter, drop in the MP4, and it'll spit it back out as an MP3. It's very, very quick, so super easy for you to get that into an MP3 format. That's in your profile. There's also in your settings. Those of you that are admins, you'll have access to the outbound voicemail drop page where you'll have that recording. And of course, you can upload those here as well. And you can hit the three dots. If you want to play that back, just listen to it, make sure that everything came through and there isn't any issues with the conversion or maybe you chose the wrong file. Just make sure everything looks and sounds good. Now, how you actually leave that is when you're on a call. We have Corey Chance here. We'll give him a call. When we reach the actual, we're going to have a drop voicemail button. I'm going to go ahead and answer this call and mute so I'm not getting any weird feedback. But whenever you're listening to the voicemail and it's like, hey, thanks for calling Corey. I'm not available right now. Please leave a message after the beep. As soon as you hear that beep, you'll select the recording you want to leave. The call is going to end. It's going to let you know, hey, call ended, but the voicemail is going to be left automatically so you can move on with other calls. So you are good. You can go in here, leave any last notes that you want to leave, and the call is going to end and that voicemail is going to be left for the client that you're dialing. Hopefully this video helps highlight how to use outbound voicemail drop. If you have any questions on that, don't hesitate to reach out to help@setshape.com.